Using an American Express gift card on Amazon is a simple process. Here's how to do it. Check the balance. Before you start shopping on Amazon, ensure that you know the balance available on your American Express gift card. You can check this by visiting the American Express gift card website or calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Add the card to your Amazon account. Log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Account and List section. Under your account, select Payment Options and then add the card. Enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Proceed to checkout. Once your American Express gift card is added to your Amazon account, proceed to shop as usual. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout when you're ready to complete your purchase. Select the gift card as payment method. During checkout, choose the American Express gift card as your payment method. If the balance on the gift card is sufficient to cover the total cost of your order, it will be applied automatically. If there's any remaining balance, you can choose an additional payment method to cover it. Complete your purchase. Review your order details and confirm the payment using your American Express gift card. Once the transaction is processed, you will receive an order confirmation from Amazon.